All right, welcome back to Mr. Gilliard's music class. Right now, we're doing recorder. We're about to learn our next note on the recorder, which is going to be the note G, right here above my recorder, G. As you can see by the fingering over here, it's done with your thumb, which is why that circle is darker than right there, and the top three fingers, thumb, there we go, thumb, top three fingers, first three holes, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, just like the illustration says right up here. Thumb, three fingers. Okay, if you've downloaded the recorder packet that we have, they have a picture of a recorder, and they've got little dots on the recorder to show where your fingers are supposed to be covering. All right, previous notes that we've learned, by the way. We've learned B, which is your thumb and your first finger. We've learned A, which is your thumb and your first two fingers. Here's what B looks like. Here's what A looks like. Okay, so our next note is G. Thumb, three fingers. 1, 2, 3. Also introduced to you right now, and you should already know it, but this is just a little bit of a reminder. We're introducing you to two new notes that we're also using in 4/4 time. One note and one rest. The half note, and half notes can be drawn facing either direction. If you've been reading the music theory lessons or watching those videos, you know that it all depends on whether or not it's on the third line and above or below the third line. And that determines which direction it's going, whether up or down. Half notes. Half notes get 2 counts in 4/4 time. Half notes get 2 counts in 4/4 time. So if we had a half note G, for example, we'd hold it for 2 counts. 2 counts. Versus quarter note Gs, which are just 1 count each. Got it? Cool. Half rest receives 2 beats of silence. 2 beats of silence. So, let's look at our first example here on the board. We've got all half notes in this entire thing and a half rest at the end. I'll tap my foot. You can listen to me play along, and I'll play it twice. Once for you to listen, once for you to play along with me. 1, 2, ready, bang. Okay, name those notes with me real quick. B, A, B, A, G, A, G, rest, rest. Okay, now let's play through them. 1, 2, ready, and. Good. Look at the bottom line real quick. We now have half notes and quarter notes together in the bottom line. Half notes and quarter notes together. And this is almost hot cross buns, but not quite. Quarter notes are getting 1 count each. The half notes getting 2 counts each. Let's talk through them. 1, 2, let's talk. And D, A, G, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. Now, let's see what happens when we play through. And let me shift on over here so that you can see it nice and clear, and so can I. 1, 2, ready, and. Cool. Very cool. All right. Right now, what I want you to do is head on over to the page, MrGilliardMusic.com. Hey, look, it's right there. There we go. www.MrGilliardMusic.com. Head on over there and click on the download section. In the download section, there is a recorder packet. Go ahead and download it. Look for the example on G. I think it's actually on the second page. The G note, that's what it'll call it. It'll run through the same material I covered here. And at the bottom, there's a nice little song that everybody knows from elementary school called Au Clair de la Lune. Yay. So go on ahead, click on that, download it, go ahead, read through it, have fun with it for a couple of minutes. And I will see you on the next lesson where we'll learn the note C. Peace.